One Owner Car Guy, oneownercarguy.com. All kinds of cool classic cars and such, plus some newer quasi-classic things. And this video, I just seen what we're doing, and I'm going to show you one easy way to get vinyl off of your truck. If you've got a good power washer and you keep your eyes away from it, Rich is taking it right off with the power washer. And it's a time-consuming process, but you won't have a bunch of razor blade marks in it when you're done.
What's up?
Nice talking. A. Do the A. Yeah, because it's in the middle. So this is about how long it takes, and these letters are about, oh, got my BB gun wet. These letters are about, 3.5, 4 inches tall, like 3 inches wide. I'm having it back up to not get the lens wet. But I mean, what is that, about 15, 20 seconds or so? And hang on, there's just a small couple pieces. Oh, he's gonna take the L too, right now. Right now, L's gone. Bam. Now, if you do this wrong, or if your paint is really bad, you could end up taking your paint off. But I'll bet you 45 seconds, I'll get him to stop here in a minute.
Maybe some goof off. Can you goof off, take that off, I think. Maybe some remover.
Probably, huh?
Yeah. Works
Well,
pretty good.
that's that. But motor is pretty much clean. You didn't degrease through this yet, you just blasted
No,
it.
I just blasted the heavy stuff off so far. Yeah. So it's pretty caked on.
Yeah, it is. And my pants are soaked. Okay, so that's what this video is about. And there's cars everywhere here, man. They're just everywhere. So, if there's anything you're interested in, give me a call. You can check my website, oneownercarguy.com. But that power wash will take them letters right off that thing. And that was kind of the point. Now, I don't know if it'll do it on the... Man, I sure hope. Maybe it'll do it. No, it's painted. That's right. I think the siding machine is painted. But we're doing siding here in a matter of weeks. It's getting to be spring. And we're getting things running and cleaned up. We've definitely taken advantage of coronavirus. No, that's not painted. That is, maybe. Painted with a sticker over it. Huh. We shall see. We shall see. Well, thanks for watching. I'm just throwing this up real quick for the heck of it. That's how much was on there. Let's take a look at what he's got done since we left. I guarantee you the big letter ain't there no more. He's probably already attacking something else. Oh, he's already got the middle section. So the big letter is still there. Not very long, but he got all the middle section off. I mean, it's just, really and truly, what if it took you, I don't know, 20 minutes a door? Would it matter? No, it wouldn't matter, because it's all off and you ain't got no razor blade mark. The lollipop in there, huh? Okay, well, all these cars, man. We're getting them for sale. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Have a great day or night. There'll be 2 videos put up today, because I'm just putting this one up real quick for the heck of it. We'll talk to you.